fantasy.
Ah.
Who's going? Let me go first. I'll get the shadow. Go first.
It's like that guy's a captain.
I guess you got enough balls, so you grab the ball.
He had good runs.
Who's that?
That guy.
Ali?
Yeah.
You didn't give up the ball.
I
Fucker.
know. Pass the ball.
I'm over here wide open.
The wife's recording him, that's why.
I'm over here making runs for him and shit.
Mames, Ali.
Damn, Ali. Valiste verga.
Ya retírate, ya estás viejo.
That's the line. Can I see the color?
The little leaf.
I like how I call them a hurricane. Yeah, just put any lines that are changed.
Center it, center it, center it.
You gotta advise obviously lead forward. That's the whole, like, especially when you do pressure.
Money.
There you go.
Good reading. Figo.
It's been years since I took a
I know. That's why I practiced before.
Oh, you did?
No, only like one shot.
I had a PK back in high school that my coach let me take because the guy fouled me or whatever, and it was like perfect. And then my teammate ran into the box before I kicked it, so they canceled it. And they're like, no redos. And I was just like, damn.
Wait, you don't get a redo if you're your own teammate?
I think you're supposed to, but like, I think they were like, all right, no, because we were already winning. I was like, that's dumb.
That's a
I was like,
stupid rule. You're
yeah.
supposed to retake it. Because if you had scored, they would have taken it away.
Right, and I did score. I didn't miss. It was perfect. Yeah,
No, that should have been.
They disallowed it.
Hell no.
Una cosa es tu imaginación,
Hey, way to track it, Evan.
Coach from Austin.
Donald Day.
Getting that from Austin.
What?
I guess he did get his van done.
This one is good.
Austin got his van done.
Oh, his
You
van.
imagine he put that on.
Did you mention it to him?
You know that 1300, did you?
Yeah, what he said.
Yeah, he didn't say anything. He's gonna bring his van out.
That's what he's looking at that too.
Either that or fucking.
Yes,
there you
sir.
go, Evan. Either that or. It's an awning.
Y acá en los años de ahorita ya están como los 80, antes de estos todos eran como 95, 96.
But when you said, so you mentioned something.
No, I asked him about his van. I didn't straight up ask him about the awning just yet.
En 2 semanas.
I'm gonna get a few beers on him.
Like orange marks there?
Go to the right. Go to the right. Center it on the goal.
I looked at my my shoes were half as fucking size.
Hey.
Hey, cross my shot. 5 points.
They fucking, so yeah. I bought them 9.5.
Keeper.
So then I ordered 10. They sent it
Keeper.
back. Worked for that.
Ese partido va a estar un bonito y
I stretched out so much. You could see me there.
Oh, yeah, that's the first thing I hit. Yeah. And,
Oh man, I almost.
that's when my fucking shot went like back wide right. And I switched.
Go, Kobe, go! Go, De Bruyne! Look at him. Oh my God.
Nice.
I'd rather go wide.
Just picture you're in the World Cup final.
Grab a ball. Just grab one.
Hey.
No, pero ellos
Chaser.
ellos no. Ellos son de
Let's go, Miller!
D3.
¿Y quedaron campeones este año? Este año sí. Pero ya no jugué yo, fue con los bicones.
United States, Thomas. That's also that's because I went on
You're lefty?
Yeah.
How did I know that?
You didn't know that?
No. Now it makes sense why he wants to play left center mid.
Left center mid?
He's the left center mid. Center back.
Yeah,
Left
yeah,
center
yeah.
back, yeah.
Normally, what I do
That shit too. ¿Te sigues tú?
like that, and I move like 5 seconds to go
Dime dónde vas a tirar, güey. Yo quiero tirar otra vez. Y la falla otra vez.
There you go!
Close.
Well, everyone's
go,
missing.
Evan.
We can do another round.
I try to change. I usually shoot that.
Really have how many? Eric, it's just you and Imran, right?
Yeah.
How many more do you guys have?
We have 2.
All right, perfect.
We can go again.
2 on each team.
If you guys want to go again.
After this.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean, I'm down.
No, I gotta bounce after this round. Unless you guys
There you go.
Ya entraste al equipo, güey. Ya.
Nomás vas a entrar cuando ocupes los penales.
Come on, Santi!
Güey, es que llevamos como tres temporadas que nos saquen en penales, güey.
Vamos.
Y fallamos como 3, güey.
No nomás uno.
¿Eh?
Digo, no nomás uno.
Ajá, pues digo que fallamos como 3, güey.
I mean, I suck, but it's out there
Oh, nice! Nice swing.
It's just like when I planted, I could tell that I was tight.
That was
And I went like just like this, which went straight instead of coming in like I'm driving, planting here.
No, dude, that was good. Look, you have to look him at it, guys.
Más puteado no puedo estar, güey.
Ah.
Good job, Papa.
Last
Oh,
one.
you guys went? Yeah.
Last video, yeah.
No, they have to go.
We got him.
Go, Japan, go!
Bro, if you miss,
Japan!
and then
Ooh,
after
Japan
that,
and China!
El Chinito!
Your Chino versus our Chino!
Yeah, he hasn't gone yet.
Let's go, Eric!
You gotta go get it. You gotta go get it.
This is your moment.
Es que estaba comparando con dije, no tengo nivel, estaba comparando con.
El Cookie lo estaba jugando con el Coco, güey, antes que este. No, está como en D2, D3, no D3. Con mi equipo viejo, güey.
Hey, guys. ¿En la misma liga?
Sí, pero pues hay diferentes niveles.
¿Y ustedes son D1?
Sí. Pero yo cuando jugaba antes era en D2 y
Get
me
it?
dejaron el
Yeah,